Morning time good season, only afternoon time it's so hot temperature, yes. I am audible.
Not
Afternoon time temperature is so increased now.
सर क्या बोले?
Means right now season morning time is good, but only
Mhm.
afternoon time is so temperature high, yes.
Yeah, temperature.
Here temperature is increasing day by day, yes.
Mhm. Yes, sir. Temperature is increasing and very hot जो कहते हैं hot wind. But now it's okay. In the time, the loo was going
Yes,
on, but now okay.
yes. And what about night?
Now it is good. Not so hot
Okay.
now.
Right now, only afternoon time it's so problematic.
Yeah, last part of the night we have to wear ourselves with the kambal
Yes,
if fan is on.
yes, yes. Yesterday, BJP launched Modi Guarantee Sankalp Patra. You
Man,
seen or no?
manifesto.
Yes,
Manifesto.
BJP
Yeah.
launched till 2029. 80 crore family member will receive continued food as till now received. So
Mhm.
next 5 years will continue.
Mhm.
And the main thing is above 70 years people will also take Ayushman
Mhm.
rupees 5 lakh regarding
Mhm.
treatment. It doesn't matter which category family members.
Mhm.
Term condition is above 70 years people. Modi guarantee is very popular, famous. Right now, Prasad is going on in a very
Good
good
morning,
morning,
sir.
Shreya.
Hello. Good
Good morning.
morning.
So, Shreya, today your school will be open?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what's your
Classes
school
are
time?
going on. Well,
What, sir?
classes are going on.
Yes, sir.
All the classes are being taken by the teachers or going to without
Yes,
teacher.
sir. All the classes are going on.
Hello. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Do you study at home or not?
So, Shreya, what's your school time? It says 8 or 7. Shreya, I am audible. Shreya, sir.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. Shreya, you are on mute. Please unmute.
Might be some she is engaged somewhere.
So, Shreya, sir, can we discuss any topic?
Yeah, why not? We can discuss today.
Today is 15th April.
We can have discussion about addiction of drugs in our society.
Yes. So one movie also learned in Punjab, I think, Urta Punjab something.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's reality in Punjab. I think, yeah, it's a real thing. A
Yes.
lot of youngsters are getting in that addiction, and they are ruining their life actually.
Regarding our country, it's a very bad thing
Hmm.
because we are developing countries, so we need to fight. How can we develop? Yes.
Yeah.
Second side, our youngster will addicted for bad thing. It's a
Actually, two type of man gets like Nasa. Uh, Very rich person and very poor person. Those
yeah.
two kinds of people gets addiction of drugs. Like we, a very poor person who are tired of his life, their life, and there's nothing to do, and they are not happy with their life. They are wanting to find out pleasure movement in their life. Anyhow, they want to get pleasure movement in their life. So, and they do not get, because around those people, a lot of lackness, lot of struggle are there. So they are always struggling about the life, how to manage. So I think they find out the way to get some pleasure moment by taking the drugs. In this order, they want to take drugs and have some pleasure moment. And rich people, have done all the things they do not want. There is no need to earn much and more money, because everything have to them. And after getting this stage, and their life is always puzzled. I think in the business they are always engaged, and they are busy too much. They cannot enjoy their life happily and with their family members and with the other. खुल के नहीं जी सकते. So they also want to find out the pleasure moment by taking drugs. So I think two type of people are engaged in this bad activity: very poor and very rich people. And unfortunately, in our country, this thing is uh, increasing rapidly. In the village areas, a lot of groups are doing uh, work to spend, like I've told all earlier. A lot of groups are there in village, like Mahakal group. The name is Mahakal group. Name is also making bad of Mahakal. So Mahakal groups are running in the village, and they are purchasing the cheaper from the other side, other city, and Yuva of the village, they are wasting their life. A lot of youngsters in my village are engaged in doing this type of addiction. So they're not only wasting their life, they are wasting the society of our country. So addiction of drugs is very bad for our society. It should be removed from our society. If because this nation is regarded a nation of youngsters, so our youngsters are busy to do this activity. Uh, Punjab, not only Punjab, sir. In India, uh, in UP, I've seen a lot of youngsters are busy doing NASA. So this is very bad thing. So very poor and very rich people who regard this to this community, they are engaged in addiction. Hello, good morning, sir. Prakash ji.
Good morning, Om Prakash ji.
Good morning, sir.
Om Prakash ji, please unmute.
Yes, yes. Good morning to all. Yes. So I'm right now in the office. Yeah, good morning.
Right now office.
Yes, yes, and I am on the show floor. So that's just I start my systems and we log in it. Very fastly coming on show floor. So that's why I'm doing the twice work. For the meeting, both are show floor activity.
Okay. So now
So what is
morning time.
going on? Yes, morning time. What is the going on?
We are
Yes.
discussing about addiction of drugs. नशा का
Yeah.
आदत करना.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it is depend upon the mentality control systems. What you
Mhm.
have your mentality control. Whenever you are consuming the 10 years, and then you are giving the mind to yeah. From tomorrow, I will not taking these drugs. Then you can do it. Because many time your body indicate you trigger you. Please take it, but you have control. Then you never do it. Yeah. So it is your habitual issue.
Mhm.
So education whenever start from the enjoying mode. Yeah, addiction is start from the enjoying mode. Lot of your friend is telling you that what if you are doing this activity, you are a good person, you are a brave person. Then he started after his addict. Yeah. Whenever you go to party, then your friends give you. Yeah, yes. Whenever your friends are knowing that you are taking it, so you offer him, and yeah, but it is a natural thing. You should be deny him on the first times. Yeah. Which things you not give you the many advantage to you should be not take it. Look at good bad behave, bad food taking, yeah, bad environment, bad cultures. First time you should be denied.
Yes,
Yeah.
but in village area, Om Prakash ji,
Yes,
we
yes.
seen its marketing is going day by day
Mm.
increased. Yes.
Yeah, it is encourages. So student also should be avoid this. Yeah. Parents also control you many times. Is suggesting you please don't take it. It is a very bad thing. But you should be also control it. Yeah. For me, as an example, I have passed in 10th and go to the hostels. Then there are many 60 to 70 students are there. So during the ragging is started in diploma. So many times we have the suffer by the ragging. Yeah, this is enjoying. It is useful also. Ragging, your senior want to thank you. You tell the everything because your parents is not with you. So you have facing any issue, medical issue, yeah, environment issue. Then you frankly tell to your seniors. The senior will help you. but some seniors are spoiled. They are the bad habit. So you giving the bad offer to you also. So you should be avoid him. Yeah. Where in 60, 70 student are we are the our batch is the 30 student is there in hostels. So second year going to across the second year, the each 29 students are taking the wine. Yeah, taking the wine. Many things they started. Yeah, but the academic is good. Yeah, 15 students are more strong academic from me. Uh, but they're taking the wine, yeah, many times. They have competition, do the competitions. Who is taking the more wine? Yeah. But whenever I was childhood, I have denied it. Okay, okay. I have not taken. Yes. First is my family background is, yeah. So it's pressure. You should be not taking it. It is a not good. And so I deny it every time. So I'm coming in MNC company, that is also culture is there. So every time I'm denying, yeah, I'm not taking. So every time my friends say, you are the Brahman, that's why you are not taking. All many Brahman are taking, why you are not taking? They say enjoy, okay, Om Prakash. Whenever we are doing the party, so every time we have not taken it. No, no, I have not taken it. Yeah. What you want to after the take it the wine? What you want to? I have to dance. I have to enjoy. Yeah, I have to enjoy, but I am not. So this is a depend upon you. Every time your parents not with you, so you should be assuming that what things get you benefit, what things get you harmful. So you should be deny. Your many friend are encourage you, so you take it and taking the misbehave, yeah, misbehave cultures. But you should
But Kazi, the percentage of denied people
very less,
are very
very
less compared
yes,
to accept this. Yes,
yes.
that's why the reason it doesn't matter it's a village or city.
Mm-hmm.
The addiction percentage is increasing day by day, not a decreasing.
Mm-hmm.
And its marketing is also going on in silent mode. Yes, we have not seen any advertise in any place, but silently it's increasing the marketing.
Now the Indian people also right now it is taking the bad habit, yeah, taking the wine, taking the some drugs. But usually I think that whenever my friend is going to abroad, they are going to US and coming back, they taking the wine from the Denmark, European country, and give him to his father-in-law, give him to his father, because his father usually take it. So give him the as a gift. Yeah, I'm bring this wine from the Denmark, from the US. This is a good wine. So please, yeah. Their father is very proudly feel the very proud, and they go to his friends. They get at the party, and yeah, proudly he giving the wine. This wine coming from the US, coming from the European country. My son is bring. What do you think? What do you make it culture? Because this culture is affected you because your little child is so your nature, so your habit. So it is okay. This is a good thing. It is a proud feel. Yeah. When we take it, it is feel the proud. Whenever your child, you instruct him, please bring the some namkeen, the snacks from home. Then he told to his mother, please give me the some snack. Why? So my father, yeah, my grandfather wants some snacks. Why? They're taking some little bit of wine. So you're making the culture at your home. So why you are, yes. So we should be avoid is avoid, not acceptable is not acceptable.
Recently, one country of Africa, African country Sierra, announced
Mm-hmm.
emergency
Mm.
due to of drugs. because all the youngsters are engaged in the using drugs, and not only drugs, sir. They are using, they are digging the uh, qabr of the human and taking out the bones of the qabr, and they uh, grind the bones, and with the drugs they are using now. It's a very horrible condition. So that's why President of the Sierra announced emergency, and army is deputed around the Kabristan so that they cannot dig out. This is the condition in the world.
Sudan, Nigeria, there's the country
Yeah.
very
So
they're taking the drugs.
So I told that, yeah, most of the using drugs country are Australia, US. So those two countries are very rich. So rich people are also using too much drugs, and very poor people who are belong to African country. Their per head capita income is very low in the world. They are also using too much drugs. So condition, I heard the interview of one addict people. He said that he was very poor. He said that, yeah, I want to get some pleasure movement because there is nothing in my life. So that's why I want to get some drugs. So poor people also they are using for this get pleasure movement. And if they are rich, very rich person, very rich people belong to rich family, they feel that I have done everything. There is nothing to do. So I only get some pleasure. I want to pleasure moment. So that's why they get also drugs to get something extra pleasure thing in their life. So these are the examples. Australian and US people are consuming too much high drugs, and also Nigeria, like country, African countries, people are also consuming drugs.
Yes, yes.
Second thing, I think European country climate is also favorable.
Not as actually, sir. They can consume the alcohol, but they are not only consuming alcohol. Dry drugs like कशिश और ये सब टाइप का हेरोइन और ये सब ड्रग्स करते हैं. ड्रग्स इज डिफरेंट थिंग, वाइन इज डिफरेंट.
Dry drugs is very harmful.
नेपाल आपके बाई साइड नेपाल में है, नेबर में देयर इज फ्री टू कंज्यूम द ड्रग्स, सॉरी ड्रग्स, वाइन. Every people I think consume wine because that is hilly area, but they are not consuming drugs. They are consuming only wine. They use wine to take heat up the body.
Maintain your body temperature. That's why
Wait.
taking the alcohol.
That thing is different thing, but if they are consuming drugs like heroin. So in Sierra country, they use push. Synthetic drugs is push. It is very high, dangerous, and after doing some time, they feel that should be extra thing, so that get extra nasa. So that's why they are digging the qabr, and they are finding out the body of the human, and they are mingling the bones by grinding in the kush. So they are using that drugs to get extra nasa, I think.
That is very horrible story.
The president of that country had to announce emergency. There is emergency.
Means government always try to avoid this, but society role is also important. Yes. What happened? I think those people involved in this
Excuse
marketing.
me, sir.
Yes.
Yes, beta.
Sir, can I leave the class?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Go.
Yeah. Actually, the type of heroin drugs present in our society illegally way. Yes, not a legal way. From Pakistan side, from other side. So it's big challenge for our government. How can they avoid this?
There is a Hollywood, Bollywood celebrities also they giving the
Hmm.
government suggested please provide this.
90% of actor of Bollywood using drugs.
Whenever the media person asking why you taking the drugs, because we have to, taking the acting project wise we are not in उसको एक्ट को परफॉर्म करने के लिए हमको नहीं होता इसलिए खाने के बाद में परफॉर्म कर पाते हैं तो
उनका पार्टी चलता है सर, पार्टी में वो वाइन तो अलग चीज हो गया, उनका ड्रग्स का पार्टी चलता है रात में।
Karan Johar is the king of this party.
Wine marketing is decreasing.
Yes, wine marketing is decreasing and dry drugs is increasing. Because it is
एक्चुअली वाइन पी लोगे तो आप लड़खड़ाओगे, ड्रग्स करके ना वो केवल हमेशा हंसते और खेलते रहेंगे, इंजॉय करते रहेंगे, ऐसा टाइप का वो फील करते हैं, कोई पता नहीं लगेगा, वो लगेगा कि बहुत खुश आदमी।
yes, they feeling the another world.
And the fast relief, quick action. Yes, in our country, 50% people, young people, yes, we need to proper guideline. Otherwise, it's a very dangerous for our country. So, youngster will involve for only
एक्चुअली
addiction of drug.
यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल wine consuming is available in I when I studied in Delhi for computer course. So some Delhi University students were also doing that course, and they were engaging with us. They told actually multiple times that we should to go so have something wine today. I feel that yeah, you are taking wine at this age. He told me that yeah, I think most of the students are taking wine in this university. Why you are not taking? I told no, I'm from village, so I do not want to take. And one culture person also mixed with us who was from northeast. So their culture is to taking wine. That thing, there is nothing different and nothing taken like bad thing. There all the family members were taking wine at the evening time, sitting with along with like the brother, father, mother, everybody.
I like
Everybody
tea.
enjoying wine
I
when they
like
are
tea.
going to have that dish. Once I visited there at his house because he called me. His name was Ethu Brigenza. So I visited his house. He asked me to take wine. I denied that no, I never take I took the wine, and it is restricted in my family. I do not want to take in my life. He was surprised. Oh no, your family member are not taking wine. So I told that, yeah.
So, sir, this is the background. When you convert your dharma in the Hindu to Christian, then you starting some the other things taking the other way, because wine is usually taking the Christian families. So you
Mhm.
started the this type activities also. I seen the many when I one of my friend is Christian, so
Mhm.
he is in for me invite to me at homes. Please come at
Mhm.
homes. So I'm
Mhm.
going there. So you offered me the some pieces and chickens. So
Mhm.
I'm denying. Yes, I'm not taking. But he suggested me, yeah, many Brahman are taking. Why you are not taking? You know, for your body is giving the energy,
Mhm.
power. So you should be
Mhm.
take it. Why you are not taking? So that time I am giving that. Whenever he is giving the example, many Brahmanas are taking it. So when I started, then I have also for example. Whenever the another person
Mhm.
comes, then he tells, yeah, Om Prakash is also take it. Why you are not you not taking? So that is spoiled the culture, is spoiled the dharma, and then setting the
Mhm.
example also. Yeah, yeah. So that is the problem. Convert your culture, convert your dharma is not a big problem, but you started some the wrong habit, wrong practice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why we have to avoid it. So you
Actually,
this is
there
a
is no need to make friendship. There is no need to adopt their culture, other person's culture and other person's tradition. So he can kept their culture, and I can kept my culture, and we can both be friend.
yes.
Uh, like 1 year, for 1 year we were friends. I was Brahmin. I am Brahmin. So I do my
Mhm.
practice, and he do his practice. We were friends. He knew that, yeah, he is decent person. He never I described my what is my lifestyle, how I live. So he understand that he never offered again to take. And he paid a lot of respect to me
Yes, yes, yes.
since then.
Whenever, whenever, whenever the social your social your friends is knowing that he is not taking, then you respect also. Whenever I was go in my Muslim friends homes, they giving the food with a new plate, new burtons. They bring some new pot from his bag, his box, and giving the new plate. Yeah, Om Prakash, this is a new pot, new burtons. Uh, so they that time they have to clean the house, not many or non-veg things is available at home. Oh yeah. So they respect also. But you should be sustain your culture, your habit. Whenever you are, sometimes you are not denying. Whenever after this, whenever on the place, you take it. Yeah. So everyone is knowing that. Yeah. Whenever he is denied, whenever he take it, what is his habit? So, so you should be sustain your
And
nature,
sir,
your habit.
one incident is his girlfriend, Athew's girlfriend. So I was amazed
Yeah.
that who's this?
Project yourself and others. Project करा other person.
You are friend of Athew? Yeah, I told that yes. She told that,
Mm.
yeah, I'm girlfriend of Athew.
Mm.
She had a bad.
Slider. अरे ये मग काय काय हे बघ स्लायडर नाही बघ काय हे काय
Some sound is not coming.
Yes, Sundar
She said,
sir.
she told me that wine is bad thing and he should not. Hello, sorry.
Yes, yes.
Your sound is not coming, Sundar sir. Right now is okay. Right now is okay.
Yeah. So she told me that can you help me to avoid wine thing like addictive thing to avoid use is why using wine. So I told that yeah, it is your culture, so how can he avoid? But she told that it is bad thing in our culture also. But it is using in our culture. It is like tradition, but it is bad thing. It everybody knows. So I told that I can help you. Once I told Ethu, your girlfriend called me, how, and I think Ethu might be given the number of mine, so that's why she called me. So I advise Ethu, please do not take wine if your girlfriend is not wanting to have those type of things. So you should not, and try to keep away to keep avoid the wine. But he never, because all the family members were taking the wine the evening time. So if you are decent people, if you are not taking wine, so everybody will respect you. Everybody know that it is bad thing, but वो तो मजबूर है वो. He cannot avoid the wine thing because of addiction. Addiction
Yeah, yeah.
आपको
The election is also lose your the self respect, lose your confidence level. Whenever you go in the social life, you addict, you searching some the wines during the event. So everyone going, yeah, he is searching the wine. When you are addict person go to another place, his relative place, then okay, I'm going to outside from the just I'm visit. Yeah. So everyone knowing that okay, he is going to outside for something to buy. So usually your relative after not respect to you. You lost your respect of your child, your many things. So it is start from your enjoying and you lost your respect, lost your social life, responsibility.
Yes, actually, what happened? Every people know that yes, this type of addiction is very bad economically for our health, but maximum people try this.
actually knowingly that it is bad thing for our body, for our society, they do that. ये तो सभी जानते हैं गलत चीज है, मैं कर रहा हूँ.
Yes,
But they are
yes, yes.
forced to addiction. They are forced to addiction. They are forced to use. नहीं, you have to take. Your body, your mind told that you have to take. You have to take. It is मजबूरी बन जाता है.
Yes. I
हम्म.
like nicotine. Yes, I like nicotine.
Yeah.
After utilize, our body is also addicted.
Yeah.
At
Being
that time,
forced. Being forced to addiction, they take the like drugs and wine, everything. कहते हैं कि वो सोसाइटी का होता है. मैं ऐसे सोसाइटी में रहा, बताइए, वहाँ जो है सभी लड़के कंज्यूम करते थे. एवरीबडी द
yes,
कंज्यूमिंग. आई अवॉइडेड दैट थिंग.
yes. So only exception people living that type of society and never try. Yes, sir. It's an exceptional case.
या आई वाज ओनली
You are a lucky
एक्सेप्शन.
person. Yes, lucky person.
They offered multiple times. Yeah, Surendra, you should too. No, I do not want to take that thing. I'm happy with myself.
Yeah, some network
Like
issue
Surendra
coming.
sir, as like Om Prakash ji type people, yeah, example for as like exception case. Yes, people demanding, request a lot. Please take this today only, but never accept.
Yeah, many friends they have वो शर्त लगाते हैं कि ओ ओम प्रकाश को कौन पिलाएगा.
Yes,
they they're behind me. They taking the self and they are coming back and giving the some wines. Oh, Om Prakash, just do it. Yeah, you are my friend. You are my best friend. You are. They were denying me. Okay, so I'm not taking it. Yeah. So sometimes my wife also asking, tell to me, yeah, you should be taking party time. You are not usually, but you should be taking party time. So he want to knowing that what is my reaction is there. So my friend is coming at my home. So he
she is
asking,
also testing. She is also testing your
yeah,
mind.
yes. So my friend is telling Om Prakash never taken the wine. So you should be taking why you are not allowing him. My wife is telling him, no, this is not. I'm usually giving him. You take it in party time. No, usually, but you taking the party time. So whenever I go to party after this discussion, get to party, so you to check to me. Yeah. So he continues check my face and he usually take it and not taking it. So yeah. So definitely the confidence on me. Yeah. They never take it. It is not compromise with the promise to my wife, promise to my parents. It's promise to my himself. Yeah. So I am not taking it because I whenever I take it started my control system is very less, so I will never control it. So I am should be addict person and lost our self respect. So his self respect is our yeah, self respect is giving you maintain your life. So that's why I'm denying. Whenever your child your child is checking you, then you are in addict, then you are your child is also why your father is there. Father is why you are not habit, yeah, good or bad habit. So you drop your respect from your child. Okay, some call is coming to
Okay, okay. Yes, but in our society, percentage of addiction is increasing. So there, how can we avoid? Surinder sir, it's a big challenge.
Actually, only one thing is to educate the persons, to educate in the classes, in the schools, in the colleges, that it is bad thing, how it is ruining the society. So in this way we can. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. I think in college life, senior students' role is very important.
Actually, at the college level, some नया नया स्टूडेंट जब जाता है कॉलेज में, so
Yes,
senior students offer that thing. Yeah, buddy,
right.
you should to take. Why you are not taking? You are coming from that society. You should to mingle with us. It's smartness thing. तो वो बात में पड़ जाता है और वो भी उसी में फंस जाता है मामला.
Yes, so
So
I
in
think
the
senior
class
student
level,
role is very
actually
important.
in the class, teachers should to educate the students. It is bad thing, and to make the environment different environment, so nobody going to take to like the addiction thing. In the college, it is possible to happen.
अरे
Otherwise,
सर,
not.
मैं जहाँ पे कॉलेज था ना मेरा, वहाँ पे तो लेक्चरर लोग भी लेते थे हमारे साथ में हॉस्टल में आकर
Hmm.
के। वहाँ पे क्या वहाँ पे बचना मुश्किल था, वहाँ पे फिर भी बचा वहाँ पे।
Yes,
लेक्चरर लेक्चरर
hardly
तो
only single person, where 1 or 2 person can escape from the society. As you,
अब
आप बच गए. You escaped from the.
हॉस्टल में रात को 2-2 बजे हमारे लेक्चरर आते थे फोर व्हीलर लेकर के, बोल रहे सभी आ जाओ गाड़ी में बैठो, चलो फिर कम बाहर जाके कैंप फायर करेंगे। और डेजर्ट एरिया में
हाँ,
जाकर के
enjoy
हम
करो.
कैंप फायर करते थे। उसके बाद वहाँ वाइन वाइन सब लेके जाते थे, पीते थे, एक एक गिलास 2-2 गिलास लड़के लोग। मेरे साथ के कलीग लोग पीते थे, तो कौन कौन वहाँ पे आपको मना करने वाला है, एंजॉय करो लाइफ को।
अरे
बट
वो
आप
तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट के रहे ही अपने, जो एक नाम था सुधांशु झा,
अच्छा
स्टूडेंट
अच्छा,
था
हाँ
उसका, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का, मेरे साथ में ही वहाँ दिल्ली में
हाँ,
पढ़ रहा था.
यस
Once he offered me, once
हाँ
I visited some place in the market, so he was born over there in Delhi, so he knew every areas. So he let me go. He told me that we should go somewhere other place. So day, so he visited the wine shop. A shop that he purchased wine. Why, Sudhanshu, why you are purchasing? या बेवकूफ है क्या? उसने बोला बेवकूफ है क्या यार, तू कैसा आदमी है? यू आर नॉट टेकिंग. नो नो, I do not try in my society. You are also Brahmin, you should not. यार क्या बात है ना. So but he take that thing, and until I was with him, he didn't take. I left that day, and he took that mine. I don't know when, but he purchased a bottle.
या
उसी ने बताया कि यूनिवर्सिटी में तो सभी लेते हैं यार, ये कोई गलत बात थोड़ी है. सोचो, जाओ लो भाई.
once you should be visit to JNU also. JNU, that is a they're
So
taking
I
the
think
dry.
might be my younger son cracked the exam of JNU. Might be get
Oh, great.
admission in JNU college. So because last year merit list was 193, and this year my son achieved 210 marks. So might be chances are too high to get admission in over there in JNU.
For the PhD degree.
No, master CUT exam.
Okay,
In CUT
okay, okay.
exam,
QTS.
he obtained 210 marks in
Okay,
history.
okay. Oh, great. Yeah, yeah, usually is a great platform, but you should be controlled. Yeah, taking the wine is not big a problem, but you should be also
Mm.
controlled. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
This is you should be. Yeah, it will not be habitually.
Mm.
Yeah, white. Then many the villager areas they taking the bhang also. So from the ancient times, many person taking the bhang. Also, they addict persons are yeah, but they have the problem. But in the holy times, family getting the bhang, they usually.
Mm-hmm.
But some person taking the every evening, evening time taking the bhang. Whenever you are not taking, so you are not sleep properly. So,
And the lower grade people also utilize in village area tari. You know, Surinder sir, tari.
yes, yes, sorry.
In my locality, not present tari.
Tari means tar, pear, and khajur tree,
Mm-hmm.
and tar tree, and it's it's a white color, right?
Yes,
Prakash ji?
yes, sir. They
And the
cut the
labor class
tree.
people utilize this a
Yes,
lot.
yes. So tali is
What
a
happens,
very
Sanjay sir? In our Bihar area, wine is banned by government, and tari is not banned by government. Government think that this is good for health.
Mhm.
So till now, labor class people utilize this in a good way.
It's a natural thing, it's mean. That is
Yes,
natural
yes,
wine.
but
yes.
tali is after four hours they convert into wine.
Uh, okay,
In my
sir. I'll have to
locality,
go.
yes, yes, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, Prakash ji,
Okay,
we will meet tomorrow.
okay, bye. Yes, we will meet tomorrow. Okay, one time.
Bye, bye.
Bye.